Hello everyone! Today we have car accidents and expensive supercars. This car's got under the truck. The speed of the two vehicles is not equal. It's caused an accident to happen. Really idiots in cars. Admire the top-notch supercar. And the flying car has gone off the bridge. The camera has captured the moment the race car has crashed off into the foothills and onto the road. Let's see how this car will create a highlight for the entire road. We should really not exceed the speed limit on a road full of traffic. Oh, this supercar has a problem. And it continues to go with a series of supercars following. Expensive cars with loud bangs. The problem is just getting worse. A high-speed supercar has lost control, flipped upside down. When you move at a high speed that is out of control, incidents like this will happen. Now, the driver of this supercar has caused an incident. Looks like the guy is asking him to get out of the car. The incident has become more serious, and the supercar continues to crash into another car. Now, if you don't have money, don't do such crazy things. The sound of the hammer is knocking on the dollars. He's rushing into the forest with a race car.
They did not think it would be like
This supercar has lost control and caused an accident. If you're the owner of this supercar, you will certainly not stand by and just watch it get damaged. This Mecredes was mercilessly destroyed. Now, if anyone understands what happened to the car, please comment below and explain to me. That is an extremely strong rush from the rear of the car. Not many riders running at such high speeds have problems, but this car happens to have some scratches. The driver of the racing car really needs to be careful. A problem has happened with this supercar. We're moving in towards the front of the car with some good scratches. It's hard to understand why this driver didn't just go straight. He went straight into the fence of the building. This slippery road definitely makes it difficult to move the supercar. If you are curious how to handle and master a supercar, come and find some good coaches. But if you want to sleep, just pull over to the side of the road. This driver is just having troubles, repeatedly causing problems. A lightning accident. Do you want to try the feeling of breaking a supercar? Let's create brilliant lights together with special wheels. Nice. The driver of this skill has some unusual skills. When you bend down, you have to pick up your front. Thank you everyone for your interest in watching our videos. Please remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye.